Today we're doing another taste test. You guys remember when I did all the Pit Boss seasonings? Well, I know that a lot of YouTube cooks you probably watched over the past few years, they love their Blackstone griddles. They just do. They do ribeye on it, they do fajitas on it, they do breakfast on it, they do everything. So I was in the store and I noticed these seasonings from Blackstone. So why don't you come in close, because we're going to season a bunch of chicken again, just like we did for Pit Boss. We're going to try them out. I want you to pick the one you think will be the winner. All right? So come on in. Okay, as you can see right here, we're starting off with one called Breakfast Blend. I'm not sure why you would have a meat seasoning called Breakfast Blend. Not sure. But I got it anyway. And then we have chicken and herb. This one should be good because it's going on chicken. All right, then we got the all-purpose. Curious to see how that tastes. This one's going to be a rough one because this is a steakhouse, so it's probably more like a Montreal steak seasoning. But we're going to try it anyway on chicken just to get the flavor. I mean, the flavor could be amazing. A1 on chicken I wouldn't do, but I like A1. Tastes good. So anyway, this may taste good too. Let's see, Crazy Cajun. This one excites me the most. So I don't know. Last time the Mango Magic won it all for Pit Boss, and I never would have guessed. So choose which one you think right now. All right, let's get all the chicken ready. All right, here it is. 5 chicken breasts seasoned with your breakfast blend, your chicken and herb, your all-purpose, your steakhouse, and your Cajun seasoning. And I did it really heavy because they're thick pieces of chicken breast. So I give it a nice heavy coat. We're going to cook this up to temperature about 165, and then we're going to cut into it and try each piece. All right? Okay, all the chicken's cooked. It's piping hot. It's resting now. We're going to give it about 15 minutes, and we're going to cut into it. We don't want to dry out our chicken, and tell you which one tastes the best. Okay, we're going to start with the breakfast blend. Chicken's beautiful and white. That breakfast blend is kind of good. I'm not sure why they call it breakfast blend. Has a little bit of a hint of citrus in it, possibly. But it's refreshing. It's really good. All right, let's try this one should be really good. It's chicken and herb. So far, I'm really impressed because both of them are good. The chicken and herb has a little saltiness to it. I kind of like that. That was really good. All right, we're going to go with the all-purpose. Looks like a rib rub, but it's an all-purpose seasoning. So let's give that a try. I try to put the seasoning on my tongue face down so that I can taste that. If you chew the all-purpose long enough, I don't know if it's a chili powder, but it's a little heat. Never would have guessed that. I expected that in the Cajun, but not the all-purpose. All-purpose has heat too. That'd be a good rib rub. I like that. These are better than the Pit Bosses. The ones Pit Boss had, I only liked a few of them. The other ones were just okay. Now this one is going to be crazy because it's the Steakhouse Seasoning, and I expect it to taste like Montreal steak seasoning. The Steakhouse is good. It's peppery. I like that on my steak, pepper. Has a little bit of heat, but like a black pepper heat, not a chili powder heat. I like it. I really do. That's good. And let's try the Cajun one. Here we go. The Cajun one starts off with heat. You can taste it right away. It starts to build up on your tongue. It's not too hot. Everybody in the family will like it. That's going to be amazing on seafood. Okay, which one's my favorite? I like all of them. I didn't like all the Pit Bosses, but I like all the Blackstones. Which one's my favorite? I will go this one, the Cajun. The Crazy Cajun is my favorite, and if you pick that, you're a winner. I'm going to finish the rest of this Crazy Cajun chicken. In the meantime, you guys take care. Try these out. Let me know what you think on social media. If you have a favorite one of yours that you like, Is there another line of seasonings you want me to try out? These are really good. You can't go wrong with any one of these. They're almost equally good, but this one is just a little bit better. So I'm going to be using this on my next video, showing you the Instant Pot Vortex air fryer. Yep, that's right. It's a 10-quart air fryer. You can finally put enough food in it to feed an entire family. That's what I like. See you guys on the next episode. Take care. Love you.